Get into too much chit chat, but I look adorables. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? So I'm in the middle of editing a whole bunch of videos and it's not exporting and it's making me really upset. But make sure you check out my last vlog, spend the day with me.
Right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I inside. All the niggas gotta watch the time, cause it's flying.
She had a chicken sandwich.
I'm outside in the AMG, right outside.
I can't believe that happened. This is the Brightline in Miami. If you guys ever come here, it was amazing. Totally fun. However, it's currently 11:17 for 11:11. But we're gonna be unboxing. TikTok made me buy it. We're gonna be unboxing this $100-some camera. It was like 140 whatever in that. I ordered it today. This is why I like Amazon. Like Amazon, like it just come like, you feel me? So I didn't open it yet. Like it came around like 8 o'clock, but I was so busy and I was like, nope, we're gonna wait. So now we're gonna unbox it. And this is my second camera. My first camera was a Canon G7 Mark II, that one. I do have a video. I'll link that down below, but like that camera drowned, and ever since it drowned, I feel like everything went downhill. And I was like, I'm not gonna buy me another camera till I reach a certain amount and I know I'm for real, and like I was like, let's just buy this cheap camera. They said the quality is good, but I've been seeing mixed reviews, so hopefully we got a good batch. And let's get to it.
Besides, you belong here.
Well, I'm still close to tricks.
Really from the punch, I can't imagine what we making. I ain't never give up on my dreams, I was chasing. Young nigga, you gon' blow, but you just gotta remain patient. I can't believe they really let me shine, I was waiting. I can't believe they really let me shine, I was waiting. They really wanna see me win, they were faking. Try to tell them people I'm a legend in the making. They saying I'm the hottest, and ain't.
Oops. I really opened it from the bottom. Okay, and here it is. Oh no, this way. Oh, should I do like a on TikTok also? I don't know, you guys. I'm also very tired. Okay. So this is how the box looks like. Digital camera, 48 megapixels, max, powerful zoom, 16. Video camera, cool stuff, cool stuff. Okay. It already has the little pamphlet and it tells you what app to download, so you can connect it. It's like this Bluetooth connecting, because my Canon had that also, so that's pretty good. But I do have that, like, it's like this little cord that you could transfer. You just insert the SD cord, and then it has the iPhone port, and then you could just stick it in and then it does its magic. So it has the instructions book. And it just tells you the basic, little how to chart. I'm pretty sure we all know how to do that. Like, you know, you feel me? Yeah. Hold on, I know this is not the SD card. Ooh. 32 gigabytes. Y'all, this is the SD card. This is really small. I have one that's 64. I hope that it could take a different SD card, cause no. And it comes with the little lens cleaning thingy. And yeah, okay, so it did say it comes with 2 batteries. So here's battery number 1, battery number 2. Hopefully I do not lose these. And then this is the camera. Oh, it's a C cable. Oh, okay, you could charge it like that. Ooh. Okay, so this is the lens. Let's unscrew that bitch. What am I doing? Oh, yeah. And now, last but not least, the camera. Okay, so since I have the camera in my hand and the box is now empty, so the batteries, they supposed to charge while inside the camera, I guess. That's only the sense that it'll make, right? This is a pretty big camera. Oh, I need the little string so I can put, I need a little wristlet for it. Oh my god, it got a little screen protector. Look at it, y'all. Smooth. But I was really happy when I saw that it has the flip screen, so you're like, you're recording and you're able to see yourself, because y'all, recording not being able to see yourself is one of the worst things ever. Like, I would love to record on the back of my iPhone because the quality is absolutely way better, but I can't see myself. Like, what if I'm looking dumb? Let's put some pieces together. So this was on top of this one, right? And I unscrewed it. Boom. And we have the bigger piece. I guess I was wrong. So you, hold on, this don't seem right, because if I connect this to this, is you're not gonna see. Hey, whoa, hold on. My brain is really not processing right now, so hopefully when I stick the battery in, and then this part right here just extends out. I don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and put the battery in. Okay. All right, so we put the battery in here, and then right here, I'm pretty sure that's where the SIM card goes. Where I put that thing at? Oops. Yeah, this thing is tiny for no reason. Like, it's giving the Krabby Patty. I'm sorry. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and insert it. Did I insert it right? No. Oh, it's still sticking out. Okay, probably wrong way. I'm pretty sure I'm doing it right. It's supposed to be out like that? Yeah, it's not. Oh, there we go. So yeah, boom. And now let's see if it'll power on, hopefully. Also, what's cool about this, you can add an external mic, and I did hear that the audio is not the best, especially when you're outside. And then over here, this part, you could add the mic, the ring light, the settings. Obviously, this is to click, you know, to snap the photo, power on most likely. And then you could change the control settings, that I know. And yeah, so let's see, will it power on? Or you need, oh, it says welcome, you guys. I guess I got a live reaction of my expression about this quality. It's not bad. I could see the work they're talking about. Oh, it's not touchscreen. Oh, it does zoom. Oh, okay. How we autofocus? Okay, so we can zoom without us adding the lenses on it. Okay, let's zoom back out. Okay, let me look at myself. Yeah, you could totally tell the quality difference. You could totally tell the quality difference, but I don't know. It gives like a nostalgic look. Is that the word? I really don't know. Oh, and it does a countdown when it's taking a picture. Okay, I just took a photo. Did you take it? I don't know if it took it. Okay, probably did. Where do I go to gallery? Oh, it is confusing, you guys. Okay, stop taking pictures. Oops. Oh my god, it's still taking pictures. It's broken. Bro, stop. Oh my gosh. Okay. yeah, this camera's not it for me. It's not it. I'd rather stay with my iPhone 13 because I look atrocious. I mean, yeah, the setting, I could adjust it, but like, I like what I'm seeing right here. I don't know, y'all. Like, you guys heard? Why I look better off my camera, off my phone screen? You see, the iPhone making it look way better. I'm confused. I'm gonna try this out later on. I am most likely returning this. If I do decide to return it, I will put that in the comments. You guys go ahead and ask me a question, but TikTok made me buy it, and right now we looking at a 4 out of 10. Just my opinion, but I'm gonna watch some more videos, more settings, and see if I could fall in love with. I mean, you pay what you pay, you get what you pay for, right? But still, I love me a good deal, and I thought this was about to be a good deal. So I'm gonna still try to do what it do. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini unboxing. TikTok made me buy it. Camera. It's probably because I came from a great camera into this. I'm gonna stick with my iPhone for now, baby. But I hope y'all liked the video. It was your girl Trix, aka Board Pretty Miami girl from the 305, where we are the way live. Period. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye, y'all.
Besides, you belong here.
Well, I'm still close to Trix.
Really from the project, I can't imagine what we making. I ain't never give up on my dreams, I was chasing. Young nigga, you gon' blow, but you just gotta remain patient. I can't believe they really let me shine, I was waiting. I can't believe they really let me shine, I was waiting. They didn't really wanna see me when they were faking. Try to tell them people I'm a legend in the making. They saying I'm